5 mistakes that destroy turbo engines fast. Turbocharged engines deliver unmatched performance, but a few common mistakes can lead straight to disaster. Are you unintentionally ruining your turbo? Stay tuned as we unveil the 5 most damaging habits and how to avoid them, ensuring your turbo stays powerful and reliable for years to come. Fresh oil is crucial for your turbo's health. Old, dirty oil can't lubricate and cool critical components, leading to wear and overheating. Stick to your vehicle's recommended maintenance schedule and use high-quality oil to safeguard your turbo and keep it running at peak performance. Cold starts are brutal on a turbo if you don't allow warm-up time. Oil needs to flow properly to prevent friction damage. Avoid revving your engine aggressively right after starting. Give it a few minutes to heat up for a smoother and safer operation. Shutting off your car immediately after a fast drive traps residual heat in your turbo, causing long-term damage. Allow your engine to idle for a minute or two to disperse heat, especially after high-speed runs. This little habit can dramatically extend your turbo's lifespan. A dirty air filter strains your turbo by restricting airflow, while unmaintained intakes allow debris to cause internal damage. Regularly check and clean your filters and ensure your intake system is sealed tight. Small steps can make a big difference. Hearing odd noises, seeing smoke, or feeling reduced performance. These are cries for help from your turbo. Ignoring such signs can lead to catastrophic failure. Address these symptoms promptly with a professional evaluation to prevent permanent damage. Say goodbye to costly fixes and hello to safe, spirited driving. Avoiding these 5 mistakes ensures prolonged turbo performance and better reliability. Hit that like button, subscribe for more car maintenance tips, and share your turbo care practices below. Drive smart, stay passionate, and protect your ride.